today we've been working at a childcare centre in Lindisfarne, just doing some pruning work on the Eucalyptus feminalis, the white gum.
Ensure that there's no branches that might be dangerous or could fall, because this is in the play area. While we're doing that, we're giving it a formative prune to help its growth long term, so that all these kids can have a lovely tree to play under for many years to come.
Had a little bit of dieback, so that's just some small deadwood throughout the canopy. So we've removed all of that to provide better airflow through the tree. Also some of the lower hanging branches, just to provide a bit more light into the yard. I want to lean over on that fence over there. Should be right, but... And also some other branches where they were rubbing in the canopy, as that can cause dying of the bark and the cambium layer and decay in the future. Yeah, have a look around maybe from a few different angles to just see what the canopy would look like with those gone before we go, like, visualize that.
There's a fair bit of, most of the dieback's in this limb.
Yeah, I mean there's a lot in there. It's not exactly, we've got this next layer of canopy that is going to be in that space.
Yep.
They're both receiving similar levels of oxygen so they're not being suppressed more than the other. You've got different walls, some are stronger than others, and that you can see there how it's like radially, it's just got a little triangle.
Yeah.
They go out radially within the wood, and that so it puts a chemical in there to try and limit the spread of the decay around that way. It's weakest longitudinally,
vertically,
like through the stem.
That's why trees tend to rot in tubes all the way up and down, because they're not very good at stopping decay that way.
And then from the growth layers, they're pretty good with that.
Yep.
But if it's coming
for the growth
from
rings
like that, they create that boundary.
Over time, that would just grow completely over, and you'd end up with a hollow in there that you couldn't see.
Yeah.
And
right. It was just hollow in the inside.
Yeah, it would, because the decay won't go away.
Yeah.
But it would grow over and seal it off.
It just compartmentalizes.
Yeah.
It doesn't actually heal.
Yeah. And then that's how tree hollows form. Yeah. The chemical layers basically sealing off those pieces of wood as if it was the outside.
Okay. Yeah.
Kind of. The chemistry's a little bit different.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's stopping it. It's blocking it completely off and just letting that piece die.
Yeah. Sacrificial.
Basically. Yeah. Pretty much.
I'm Taylor. I'm the apprentice at Tasmanian Tree Care. I have only really just started TAFE, where we've done like a brief introduction to tree health and pruning. So I guess after some things I'd learned at TAFE, today was a good example with some like dieback and possibly caused by root damage when there might have been construction from the playground. Just like hearing the guys discuss like what it could possibly be that's causing the slight decline in health of the tree. So yeah, I'm just picking up bits and pieces of information as I'm going every day. I guess that's part of being the apprentice, and learning a little bit at a time.